enough oxygen will not get supplied to your blood, and when you will not breathe, the oxygen will not get supplied in your blood and to each and every part, each and every organ of your body. Right, sir? Praveen, sir.
Yes, sir.
So I think if oxygen is not in your body, then you cannot breathe properly and your mind cannot work because oxygen is not getting into your brain. So you cannot think, your thought process will all automatically slow down. So first point is to communicate it in a better way. First of all, breathe. Second point is that most of the English speaker, while speaking, slows down. They speak very slowly. What is the reason behind of speaking slowly? That most of the best English speakers speak slowly because speaking slower makes them sound more confident and most trustworthy. If you are speaking slowly, don't just wrap up like a fast moving train. Just speak English slowly, clearly, and confidently. That is the main purpose of communicating. If you are speaking slowly, the other person can understand your language and your thoughts in a better way, and you will sound more confident and you will sound more perfectly pronunciated. So speak slowly, don't run while speaking. Right, sir? And third point is that while speaking, most of the person what they do is they are in a very angry mode. So you do not have to be angry while communicating, while speaking English. You can speak English in a calmer way, in a more positive way. What is the reason behind that? If you are smiling while speaking, if you are smiling, then automatically your body will release some happy hormones. Automatically your body will release some happy hormones and your mind will think that it is my zone, it is my comfort zone, so I can speak more in a better way. So while speaking, just smile. My next point was practice making mistakes. You have to practice making mistakes. If you are making mistakes, it's okay. We are human behavior, as previously as sir also said, Nilesh sir also said, it's human behavior. If you are making mistake, and I totally agree with him, it's a human behavior. If you are making mistake, it's okay. We are here to improve our mistakes, to learn from our mistakes, and in future we will all do good. So it's nothing wrong in doing mistake. If your vocabulary or pronunciation is wrong, it's okay to do mistake. We will learn and we will come back and we will fight back in a better manner. So my point was that practice making mistake. You have to making mistake. It means you are not learning English. If you are learning continuously, then you can make mistakes. So this is the way you can improve. My next point is visualize success. Most of the people, what they do not learn continuously. They break the process in between. Why they break the process in between? Because they can't feel that they are learning something and they will achieve something. So you have to visualize success, that after 1 month or after of a long term goal, if we say about long term goal, then after 1 year or 2 year, I will be at this place and I will be speaking fluently. My English will be very fluent. So you have to visualize that after 1 year, this will be my future of English speaking skills. So you have to visualize success. My next point and the last point, last but not the least, I would like to say that congratulate yourself. If you have learned something today new, then you have to congratulate yourself that you have done a good work today. So congratulate in small things. If you read a book, for example, Ravin sir read a book today, How to Make Money, or 7 Habits of My Life, or 7 Mistakes of My Life, or the Book of Babylon. So if you are reading a book, then also you have done something new. Then congratulate yourself that I read a book today and this is my achievement of today. If you congratulate yourself, then only you can move further. If you're not congratulating yourself by doing something, then I think you cannot proceed further, because here the demotivation comes. You will feel like I'm doing nothing, but you are continuously in the process. You are every day you are learning, every day you are communicating, every day you are coming in the class, every day you are doing complete process you are attaining. But what the problem is, you are not congratulating yourself. You are doing everything for learning English. You are doing absolutely correct, 100% right behavior you are following, but you are not congratulating yourself. So congratulate yourself. If Shailen sir is doing something good, then we have to appreciate himself. We have to appreciate him, and he also have to appreciate himself. That yes, today I did this book, so I have to congratulate myself. Jaspal is every day he is attending classes, So I think he has to congratulate himself also that yes, I am attending classes every day, I am learning every day. So this is the achievement of mine, and I will continue further. And after 1 year, my English will be fluent. So I think this is the very important point we have to learn, that congratulate yourself. You have to congratulate yourself because you have done so many things since previous 4 or 5 months. We are continuously practicing, continuously learning. We are making habits, we are making short notes, we are making diaries, that this is my habit, this is my procedure. Then congratulate yourself, you have done wonderfully, you have done everything. So you have to complete the process by motivating yourself, because if you're not motivating, you're not congratulating yourself, I think that you are hampering your process. So that was all from my side today. Thank you, Rabin sir, for giving me the opportunity.
Yeah, Rishabh, you explained very well, and you also mentioned very good things like congratulation means myself, not myself, all humans self always time reward. Like whenever you did some work and after that you got little bit good thing, it is a collective reward and pleasure. And 100% after that your feeling is very good. So yeah, it is 100% truth. Yeah, Rishabh and Mahesh sir, now are you comfortable?
Yeah, sir. Yes.
Yeah, Mahesh sir, I have one question. I think not personal my question. It means it question all person. Okay, each every person, sir, all persons they are practice each every day here, and some persons they day by day improve ourselves also. Okay, but sir, some persons they have a lots of problem like a public fear, mostly public fear. Yeah, we can see now also I think 4 5 members they do not own our on video. So that's why means that type fears how to overcome, sir. You have any ideas, please you can share. Mostly initial
Yeah.
I'm talking about the initially type person like some persons they take action only last month or 2 months before. Okay sir, that type person. Yes sir.
Yeah. Got it, sir. Whatever you have asked a question. Yeah. It is fear is common for everyone, sir. Yeah, everyone has it is the same feeling. Whatever Nilay sir said, it is a common
Sir,
for human behavior.
your was very slow. Please say.
Yeah, fear is common, sir. It's for everyone. Human. It is a human nature. We need to avoid it to improve ourselves. Like you have asked a question, somebody is still facing problem with fear, like public speaking means. Yeah, it's a common everyone. But we are actually how we are training to our mind is more important. Suppose I have also problem, everyone has a initially problem, but slowly we need to adapt the platforms, like we are communicating with more number of unknown persons, attending the sessions like whatever you are conducting, like we need to spend some time with unknown persons. First thing we need to do is remove negative thoughts in our mind. Suppose whatever we are giving to our mind, then only is reflect on our results. Suppose we are feeding positive thoughts to our mind, we'll get positive results. If we are giving negative thoughts to our mind, it will automatically produce negative thoughts. So first we need to always try to feed positive things to our mind. Yeah, grasping power is every IQ level is person to person is varying. Suppose I am attending one session. Somebody has some little bit confidence is more. We no need to take care of judge ourselves, like comparing with ourselves to others. It is a human nature. Everyone has not same type of IQ level, same type of grasping power. Somebody suppose Rabindra sir, suppose you have to learn something, it will take 1 month for you. Suppose it will take same thing, somebody it will take 2 months. It's based on our IQ level, our grasping power. In that time, we no need to discourage ourselves, and no need to disrespectful our teaching tables. Just whatever before sir said, yeah, just we need to encourage ourselves. We need to give positive thoughts to our mind. At least we are trying. That just give to some motivation to ourselves and try. It will automatically show results after some time. Yeah, it will time will difference. Suppose it will somebody it will take quickly get results, somebody it will take some little bit more time. But hard work never fails, sir. Yeah, I have also problem. Just I am telling the just telling this simple story. Actually, I have fear of English speaking skills, same like whatever now joined everyone. Everyone here joined means everyone has some problem and they are trying to improve English communication skills. Same problem I have. 2016, same time October, around October, I have also problem. At that time I also joined one English communication class to improve my English communication skills. But at that time, actually I didn't take good thoughts to my mind. Say just I am not following habits whatever they are setting. I am not following proper time to proper not giving proper time to habits. And just I am giving more excuses. So at the time I am give up. I am not interested. Later 2 years again I realized, yeah, it's necessary, it's need to important. Suppose if you want to learn something, we need to give some hard work. Either it is whatever Nilesh sir said. First, if we are learning English communication skills or any other language, first we need to become shameless. Suppose we are speaking right or not, no problem. First we need to start open our mouth. We need to convey our message to other person is understandable or not. That is main important. Vocabulary, fluency, confidence, later it will automatically slowly develop by practice. First initially we need to open our mouth. Whether it is just other person, whatever thoughts in our mind, just don't care about the other person thoughts. Just first we need to give some motivation and more confidence to ourselves. Later automatically it will develop. Yeah, it's most of the members are coming from they don't have any facilities. They are from coming from vernacular medium. Maybe they're nurturing during like rural area. They don't have English facility. Everyone has a problem because English our not our native language. Our native language is either Hindi or whatever we are speaking. In our language while speaking we don't feel like confidence. While speaking we don't fear whatever we are in our mind. We are just speaking. Other person we don't think about other person. But it is English is not our language, and we it is not we are going we are we and our surroundings it's not there. So it will take time. Just we need to focus on our habits and give time. And just first in my point of view, first stop comparing with other selves. Positive way we can compare this other self. We take motivation. Like I can see Ravindra sir. I have joined around when you joined the DNA. Later 1 month or 2 months after I have joined, I can see your graph. You have increasing your graph on daily basis. Same thing in positive manner we have take inspiration from you. But Ravindra sir getting results, but I am not getting results. That type of mentality we need to remove in our mind. Just take motivation and give some time.
Yes,
Go
sir.
on, automatically it will get results. That's my opinion. Yeah,
Yeah.
Nilesh sir
Thank you.
also said lot of points. Yeah, we need to consider all these things. Like first we have to communicate with more number of peoples, unknown peoples, try to attend lot of sessions. Like spending more time with English environment, automatically it will boost our confidence level. Yeah, results will, we don't expect quick results. It will take time. It person to person it vary. Just we need to patience levels. That is my
Yes.
experience I am saying. Not
Okay, okay. Thank you lots, Maheshwar. You explained very well, and I got it lots of very good thing. Why? Because you also mentioned like don't compare the up means the other person. And second thing means you give me totally focus. What you need and what you means what you need and what type practice I should do. And after that, 100% you will get good result. Yeah. Thank you. And Sambhunath, unmute yourself. Sambhu. Yani, sir, would you like to say something?
I can add one more
Yeah,
point
sure,
here.
sure, sure,
Mahesh,
sure. Yes, sir.
Mahesh has already added lot of things and he has explained step by step very nicely.
Yeah.
But
first, and the first thing we need to understand why we are getting fear while we are speaking. Why we are getting fear actually? We are getting fear because we are not confident what we are going to speak, or maybe you are thinking that you are not comfortable with this language, or the someone who is standing in front of you, he is having more fluency or vocabulary than you. So you are unknowingly comparing yourself with that person. So you are getting fear because you are not confident about that, about English language. So how you can remove it actually? So automatically, whatever you are doing, I can give you example. While we are speaking in Hindi, are you getting fear even though you are having less vocabulary? No, you are not getting fear. Why? Because of practicing, because you have learned from your childhood, while observing, while listening, while reading. So you have learned it. So while learning, while observing, while listening to the people, you have got a some level of command in this language. That is why you are not getting fear. So here we need to apply same thing. We need to learn the things, we need to practice the things, we need to implement the things, and include in the daily life. So automatically you will not feel any kind of trepidation while you will have a conversation with someone. So you need to learn the things. That is the first thing while which we are doing. The second thing, we need to practice, which we are doing. Next thing, we need to implement. These are the some things which we are doing, someone are doing, someone are not doing. Okay.
Yeah.
So we need to implement. So implementing the things, then only you will you will not feel any kind of trepidation whenever you will deliver your speech wherever. So implement the things. Okay, meanwhile you are learning, practicing, but implement. Join some other areas or different zone, which is or join the club where more people are sophisticated person. Okay, who are having more fluency, more vocabulary, or more knowledgeable person than you. Then only you can learn from them. Then only you can analyze yourself. Yes, these are the loopholes I have, I need to work upon it.
Yeah. Yeah, yes, sir. Yeah, whatever you told, I think 100% truth. Why? Because it is a 100%. I am agree with you. Why? Because I am also means I was facing same problem in last 5 to 6 months before, but I believe only practice and implementation. Why? Because some persons they all the time think about it. Means I want to something, I want to, and some person also they started practice like a means got a little bit good thing, and when thinking means you start immediately, you take action, and after that you started implementation each everything 100%. After that you will get good rate. Yeah, thank you, Nilesh sir. And Selen sir, now Selen sir, unmute yourself. Selen sir.
Yes, Ravan sir.
Yeah, Selen sir, you have any questions? So please you can ask from Ranji sir. Ranji sir, I think I have a lots of experience. So please you can ask any question from Ranji. Yeah, sir.
Thank you, Ravan sir.
Ranji
Thank
sir,
you,
unmute
Ravan sir.
yourself. Yeah, sir.
Ranji sir, I have one question.
Yeah, yes, sir. Carry on.
Ranji sir, I learn English about learning, listening, reading, and watching, and uh, uh, talking also. But I felt just 2-3 months. I don't manage the time. So how to manage our learning time? So please give me some instruction.
Okay, what I got it from your side that your question is how to manage our time actually.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Okay, sir. So according to my opinion, I think sir, time management it's depend upon the person to person. Because some person are students, some person are employer, but it's depend their person that how nobody can says that how can you manage your time. It's different person to person because students they have some different time, study time, working time, and as an employee their time is different. So I according to my opinion, I suggest you try to utilize your time at at earlier and when you going to bed before going to bed. This two times is your own time. Apart these times, whenever you get time according to your lunch time, according to your rest time, you can also utilize it for little bit. Utilize visit any audio visual technique in your mobiles, any storybooks, and you can also carry your vocabulary notebook also. When you get time, you can also just look upon it. Just look upon it. It automatically reminder your mind. And I think in this way, automatically you have manage your time. And reading is also, it's a hobby also. If you are interested and if you thinking with a interesting story, automatically you got to know that what is the next story. So in this way, I think you try to read any kinds of books if you want to read. That it will be I think definitely an interesting book and easy book. It will make your confidence also, make your interested also. So thank you, sir. This is from my side, I think.
Thank you,
Yeah,
Rajesh.
yeah, sir. Very good suggestion in this, sir.
Yeah. Now, Sambhunath, unmute yourself. Sambhu, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Sambhu, you have any questions, so please you can also ask, because today I invited very knowledgeable person. Okay, firstly you think about
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. He has a lots of experience. He is working in means very good company. Okay, and Mahesh sir, he also belong to Andhra Pradesh, and Nilesh sir also means he is working in Bangalore. Okay, so I think it is our means very good means. We are get very good chance. Okay, so please you have any questions, please you can ask. It is very
Yes, sir.
helpful in our future. Yeah.
Yes, sir. First of all, I have a lot of greetings to all the members, and especially to the host. I have a lot of question. First, when we start our GD classes, I have a lot of question. But when we hear lots of lots of uh, lots of lots of sir, they give a speech, lots of question. I I I I have a question for all. First of all, one thing I do when we read and hear lots of things. I have also read lots of book like Rich Dad Poor Dad and lot Great and Wings on Fire, and you can win lots of these books. But I don't implement it. I forget all the things. That's I think that's my mistake. I don't implement all of things. First I read and learn. I read and listen lots of things, but I don't force on him to implement it. How to do that? Please
Implement.
give me the answer.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Nilesh sir, are you comfortable and you got it? So please you can explain.
Okay, so you you are reading something, you are listening something, but you are not implementing the things.
Yes, sir.
That is your question, eh?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Actually, we I can share my experience before coming to your question. I have a same kind of mentality earlier. Whatever I'm reading, whatever I'm listening, I cannot implement 100% everything. Okay, as you have told that you have read Rich Dad Poor Dad. Okay, you have read Rich Dad Poor Dad, but can can you imagine you can implement or you can implement everything whatever the author has written in that book. My first book was also Rich Dad Poor Dad, but it doesn't mean that I have implemented everything, because everyone has different kind of circumstances or different kind of constraint, everyone. So it depends on person to person which you are looking for example, I can give you my example. Right now we are here gathered. Why? Because we were looking for to improve our communication skill. Okay, so we had a certain wanted things, right? That means it has a purpose. Okay, so if you are reading a books, and if you are reading a books purposely, that yes, I have to implement the things which has written in that book, then definitely you will find some kind of the things which you have to implement in your life. Okay, that is the first thing. Like for example, why I have read a book of public speaking tips by Praveen Wadalkar, which I have shared with you as well. Okay, because I really want to improve my communication skill, right? So I have read that book, and whatever the whole things he has explained in that book, some of the things I have implemented on myself, some of the things, not all the things. What are those things? The first thing is that you are not different from the audience. We have a very wrong beliefs in our mind, and it has been hardwired from our childhood. Like we have a mentality that if someone is going on the stage, like he is a very sophisticated person or he is a very great people. No, it is not like that. He is using a stage so that it can be convenient from the audience. So he is a same person. The different is only the thing, he is having more experience or different experience from us, which he is going to uh, share with us, right? The like about the public speaking, and about the like the learnable skill. These are the some things he has mentioned in the book. So those things I have included in my behavior, or in my knowledge, in it has inculcated in my mind. So I'm using those. So that means if you are selecting a book which you are looking for, which you really want to add in your life, if you are picking, if I'm using very carefully this word, if you are using a book very purposefully, that yes, this book I'm looking for and this book will help me, then you have to write down those things. Yes, these are the things I have got from, these are the some important points which I have got out of this book, and you have to revise those points daily basis for some days. Then it will imbibe in your mind, hardwire in your mind, then automatically you will take action on it. Why you
Yes,
are
sir.
not implementing? Because you are not taking any action. Okay, that is the first thing. Second thing, you are not reading a book which you really want to implement in your life. Okay, so choose a book which you are looking for. Okay, like for example,
sir.
right now you are looking for public speaking, so choose a book which is related to public speaking. So
Yes, sir.
definitely those things will help you, and you need to write those keynotes in your journal, because I am writing those journal, like whatever the important days, I'm reading one book which is related to startups. So now, in my mind all the times is coming how to start our startups. So if I will read related to those books, so definitely I will get some good things. And which things, those all the things I'm writing in my journals, so that I can revise. Because what happens whenever we are busy in our work, so we forget which we need to do. So that is why you need to see again and again, until or unless it has not hardwired in your mind. Okay, so once once it will hardwire in your mind, you will think about it, and you will start to take action. Then definitely you will implement. Without taking action, you will not able to implement it.
Got it? Got it, Sambuna?
Yes, sir. I have another question.
Yeah, Neil sir told about you could be focused only right way rather than wrong way. Okay, and means you choose means what you want in our life. So means towards your goal, you choose same book. 100% it is effective, and means it is also give a very good things yourself. Okay.
Yes, sir. I have another question. So, sir, I have lots of goal. Like I want to improve myself, improve my speaking skill, and then I want to learn how to earn money, and how to invest money, and lots of. I think I want to say I have lots of goal. I don't have any specific goal, but I think lots of this goal, they are all specific for me. But I don't attain all the goals. Uh, I think this is the reason to don't I don't do right thing.
I think Sambhu, this as I given you uh, I have shared one thing in the first question, which has been asked by someone, that you need to prioritize the things which you really want to do, which you really want to do in your life. Okay, you need to
Yes, sir.
prioritize. This is the first important things which I have to do at any cost, and this is my first priority, because you cannot do everything at one time. That you need to
Yes, sir.
understand. I also, I am also looking for so many things, but I cannot do everything at one time. So you need to prioritize the things which you really want right now,
Yes, sir.
and you have to work upon it. And if something which is related to that, that particular thing which you are doing, then also you can start simultaneously those things. But if you will start both the things which are not related to each other, or which is apart from each other, then you will not able to focus. And once you will, if you are not able to focus, then you will not get results. So
Yes,
that is
sir.
why you need to prioritize the things. On the basis of that, you need to design your step by step plan. Then you need to execute your plan.
Yes, sir.
And after implementation, then only you will get result.
Yes.
Because everything, if right now, you are in a dilemma, like what I have to do. So
Yeah.
everyone has. So as per my experience, just write it down or jot it down in your diary. These are the things which I really want to accomplish in my life. What are the things which I have to do at earliest, and focus
Yes, sir.
on it.
Yes, Nilesh, sir, sorry for interrupting because Jitan Pradhan also here. I think only 2-3 minutes left. So Jitan Pradhan, unmute yourself. Because I am very fan for Jitan Pradhan, because Jitan Pradhan also belong to Odisha, and but he is very consistent person, and each every day he joined class, and after that he give up 100% each every day. So that's why, yeah, Jitan Pradhan, unmute yourself. Hello.
evening, sir.
Very good evening, Jitan Pradhan. Are you comfortable?
Sir, actually, I am in working here, so I think here also the surrounding side is not good.
Okay, no issue. You take
Am I
it time.
audible to all?
Yeah, are you audible? But some noise also coming in your side, so that's no need. Okay, you can listen only.
Yeah, that's why, sir, I will only listen.
Okay, no issue. Okay, thank you, sir. Yeah, so Rishabh, unmute yourself. Rishabh. I think he is. Okay, no issue. So I think the only 1 minute left. After that meeting is over. So thank you, all of you. Give me lots of good thing. 100%. It is means very effective and very knowledgeable. Your point you explained, each every person. 100% is very helpful. Some needy person, and here also some persons they want to same thinking, and 100% after session. While session, they will got lots of good things. So thank you all of you.
Ravindra,
Yes.
Ravindra, please send me the Mahesh number. I want to have a conversation with him.
Which person, sir?
Yeah, sir. Sure, sir, Nilesh, sir. Yeah, I
Mahesh,
will
sir.
message
Mahesh,
you.
Mahesh, sir. Yeah.
Yeah, definitely. Please, yeah, after class, I will send you. Okay, sir.
yeah.
And thank you, because sir, I means today I am very happy because each every person they belong different place. Like Nilesh sir, yeah, he's working in Bangalore, and Mahesh sir, Andhra Pradesh, and Ranjit sir, Paschim Bengal, and Sambhu and